morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the Australian dollar and the US dollar, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The Aussie dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw Microsoft stock drop 1.7%. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair plummeted 1.6% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The pound gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market.
Moving on to world financial news.
The dollar dropped after data showed headline consumer prices unexpectedly fell in June, with the Japanese yen at one point gaining more than 2%, as traders priced in the likelihood that the Federal Reserve will begin cutting interest rates in September. Pepsi missed expectations for second quarter revenue, as a series of price hikes and competition from private label brands slowed sales in its snacks and soda, mainly in the United States, its largest market. Oil prices rose for the second consecutive session, with the Brent benchmark settling above $85 a barrel, as hopes rose for US interest rate cuts after data showed an unexpected slowdown in inflation.
Thank you. And now moving on to our chief analyst's pick of today's main economic events.
The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT, Japan's capacity utilization at 4:30 GMT. Japan's industrial production will be released at 4:30 GMT. The US Producer Price Index at 12:30 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 14 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.